Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Live, and today we're at Coral Bay Strip. This is Monday, 2 days after the official opening when it had the presidential seal of approval. And I'm here talking to Demetris and Pantelidis about how it's gone, the project, and what is still left to be done. So, how do you feel, first of all?
Good morning.
Oh, good morning, first of all. And how do you feel, having had the president here opening it? Must be a bit of a relief.
Look, it seems it was a much anticipated project. Out of four, besides the one that ceremony, the speech was done, this was the most anticipated. Probably, have you seen on the updated videos, there was a lot of people waiting and expecting the project to open. So I think with Pantelidis and the mayor and Paphos municipality, everybody is very pleased about the progress and the time of delivery. So there's some tasks remaining to be done, and it will be released to the traffic as well.
Okay.
All the people and the president and the mayor were also very pleased.
Yeah,
happy.
they seem to be.
And if you see on Saturday, was more than 500 people.
Oh yes, I was there.
And everything, everybody was very, very happy about what happened here.
Good.
I think it's a very, very big improvement of the area.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's also like a blueprint for how to do projects in future, really, isn't it? Because it's gone so well.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's gone well, and it's gone in a very short time. I think the reason the project in the recent years, this type done in 5 months time span.
Yeah.
So it could be a reference project for how to
excellent.
achieve projects in very quick time.
Good. And the trees are here, because people were asking over and over about the trees they've been planted now.
And the trees and
Yeah.
the bollards and
Yeah.
the new signs will be in the next days.
Excellent. Should we take a walk upwards so we can see your work? It was funny actually, I don't know if you saw when the president was just doing his walk up and down here, that some tourists had obviously been dropped off at the other end of their suitcases, and they were walking all through it wondering what the hell was going on. The bus station, let's get a bus stop in. Now, the road is obviously open for deliveries, driven by that van. And when is the timescale, do you reckon, for it to be open for regular traffic?
If you see there are some small works we didn't, we wait, for example, the electricity authority
Oh, yes.
come and move the poles and the cables and all this. This will happen tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow you are going to see electricity authority to make this job and put the new street lightings.
Oh, excellent.
This is one of the work. The other one is we have to finish with the bollards.
Yeah.
Down there. If you
I was
see,
going to
we
ask
put
about
some
that.
Temporary, some plastic ones in the position the new
Yeah.
bollards will be.
Yeah.
And we have these small works. We just wait other services or departments in order to finish with their works.
Sure.
As area, its job is already finished.
Yeah, definitely. Right, should we go on?
Dominic, just to clarify, you got the bus stop. The bus stop are the used ones that the Paphos municipality had up in the center of the village, and they are expecting the new in island scale from Public Works Department. They have a project that all the bus station will be the same with telematic and electricity. So we said, okay, we'll get these ones temporary until September, October.
Something like this is the information we have.
So there wasn't any reason to get new ones, to buy new ones and do the task, and afterwards you don't have to what to do it. So we said we go with the already existed ones, because it's going to be a question playing on the table. So from October they will be replaced with island scale bus stations.
Sure, okay. There's King's Supermarket now officially open.
Yes, the majority of the shops are already open.
Yeah.
And they are working because the road is open for the people in order to walk, to cycling or to everybody. It's just except the traffic which
Yeah.
still not open for the cars and the buses.
About what Mr. Pantelis said, tomorrow you see the airlines, the electricity airlines.
Yeah.
Tomorrow electricity will come and get the crews here with the platforms. So they have to remove the piles and the cables.
Sure.
So there's a security reason arising.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And the signs as well,
Yeah. Okay.
traffic signs.
And they are going to put the new poles, these electricity poles, where we have already made their bases.
Yeah. Excellent.
For example, if you see there will be a new electricity pole.
Okay.
It's already on the
Yeah.
cables and
Ready and waiting.
everything is ready.
There isn't any electricity, just out of question, everything's
Yeah.
offline.
Yeah. Yeah.
Seeing the cables.
Oh, it looks so much nicer now, doesn't it? So I put Mediterranean cuisine. Get that. See, that one's got a very nice frontage now, isn't it? Oh, there's chalkies. I missed them out of the previous film, so I've got to have a little include them in it this time. They're open. Because the one next to them, what's that one called? Lazy Martini or something?
Dirty Martin.
Dirty Martini, I know, something like that. Something to do with drink. And Kickoffs is definitely open.
We have to say that the delivery of the project was a good collaboration of the contractor and the municipality in general. So as we said, it could be a reference
Yeah,
project
definitely.
for time delivering. It was a very good collaboration. The engineers were down all day, aside with the contractor, trying to help. Pantelis, most of the days he was from the morning until midnight here, straight through.
Both of us.
Yeah. Well, I know you were because I got the messages.
I was me as well. But Pantelis, have to say, he's the chief of the technical department. He shouldn't actually be here, but by himself he was here supporting the whole situation all the time. He could just give orders left and right, but he didn't. He was
Okay.
here live on the track.
That's good. All right, see. And one thing I have to say from my viewers' point of view is that they have all appreciated that you've been so open, both of you, in communicating with me and letting me do these films.
Dominic, when we discussed initially with Pantelis, our position was it's better to ask directly and get direct answers instead of doing assumptions.
Yeah.
Because Coral Bay Street is the steam machine of Peya, as the mayor said, with the shops, economical and everything. So it's better to ask and get direct answers instead of doing assumptions. It's saying it wouldn't open until July, it wouldn't open until November, and
Sure.
these kind of things. That's the reason we are open, and generally we wished everybody would be open and get
Yeah,
this
definitely
kind of...
so. I mean, because I know from my viewing figures that they love this sort of film anyway. So I mean,
I remember all these rumors. Who
Oh,
are
God.
all, spraying lies everywhere. Here they are not. They are not going.
is it going to be
finish them,
pedestrianised? All sorts
yeah.
of stuff. Yeah. Will there be
this-
trees?
And you are, and you, Dominic, you are very, very helpful because you are always the people knows that if Dominic says that one, this is the truth.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, very reliable on your films, and
I do try to be. I continue.
And some of the businessmen, they didn't, the shop owners, they were not sure that they believe more the rumors. This is why you see
Oh, let's
some
get out
of
the way.
shops,
Sorry.
they are not ready yet.
Go this way.
this is a delivery truck
Yeah.
just for supplying the shops. Look, nobody believed because 5 months it was in everybody's mind impossible. Winter time, 5 months, everything was against the stream. So
Yeah. Here's the fellows.
Στάγη, καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα.
Kalimera. He's busy. So I can smoothly pan round again.
You see, everybody's happy.
Yeah.
You can see they are with a smile.
Kalimera.
Καλημέρα, παιδιά.
Scroll round.
So, Pantelis told you the bollards are temporary,
Yeah.
just to set the boundary of paving,
Sure.
walking paving with the road and street parkings. They are custom made, they are made here in Cyprus, so they're getting batches delivered and
Yeah.
the next days will be
Yeah.
fulfilled.
Can we go further? It's up to you.
If you need anything
think
from
it's-
us, we are available.
No, I think we're pretty much
We will
done.
be in the area anyway.
Yeah, because
for
I
another-
filmed all that on Saturday anyway, so I think it's more to do having a chat with you. So, is there any... Oh, little kid, sorry. Is there anything more that you want to say to our viewers?
We are very, very pleased and very, very. We want to say a big thank you to the people here of the owners of the business, because they understand how useful will be this change for the whole area, because it was an old area here, and now it's much more improvement, and for their business, everybody. And I think everyone understands that one, and they were all very, very helpful in order to finish the job on time.
Excellent.
The same,
word to you.
Pantelis, a very big thank you to the shop owners. And my recommendation is come and visit Coral Bay. It's worth it.
Excellent.
It was always worth it,
Yeah.
but now it's a jewel that worth the visit.
And I couldn't agree more. I'll
Thank
just
you
quickly
for...
pan round, go on. There you go. As we said, all those bollards will be replaced with the nice new ones you've seen behind there, and it will be lovely. Okay, right. Thank you once again,
Thanks a lot, Dominic.
and who knows, perhaps we'll see you in the next project.
If it
You are
happens,
always welcome.